type of therapies you are providing here?
Sanjeeva, the wellness center at Vedic Village, is a very unique facility. This part of India is not very much aware of about the kind of Ayurveda which is practiced in South India. Here, Ayurveda is more a prescription-based practice, medicine-based practice. In South India, we have an entire comprehensive, programs wherein a person who requires medical attention or an individual who has any condition that requires medical attention can be treated in one facility which caters to their individual dietary needs medically, lifestyle needs which encompasses exercise, yoga, meditation, medications which we source from Kotakal Arya Vaidyashala from Kerala, pure herbal medications, and we have an entire team of 28 members who are trained, and many of them are from Kerala here. So the entire Panchakarma therapeutic program can be done here on a residential basis. If you were to come here, you are staying here with us, your day starts with a session of yoga, your day ends with a session of yoga. You will have one major session of therapy. It can be Abhyangam, it can be Patrapinda Swedanam, it can be Shirodhara. Shirodhara is something which you should have seen photographically representing Ayurveda. So we have the clinical aspect of all these therapeutics here. On a residential basis, people can stay here with us ranging from 7 days to 14 days to 21 days and in multiple of weeks. We have people coming from all over the world here for programs which are specific to their ailment, be it neurological disorders, be it skin-based conditions, be it gastrointestinal disorders. Arthritis is one thing which is very, very challenging to the world of medicine today. Ayurveda has very, very efficient remedies when it comes to treating any kind of arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis, degenerative osteoarthritis, psoriatic arthritis, gouty arthritis. These are some of the classical examples of what Ayurveda can do in chronic disorders. We have a wonderful facility here. It's spread across 150 acres of organic farmland. Staying at Vedic itself is a healing environment. So we created this facility which is very natural. The ambience is supportive to healing. Patients when they are here, guests when they are here, they are on organic food. So proper food, proper lifestyle, proper medications, good authentic therapies, all this, the confluence of all these efforts is definitely going to make one realize the real nature of health.
আমি এখন চলে এসেছি সঞ্জীবা স্পা রুমে। ভীষণ এক্সাইটেড লাগছে, নিজেকে একটু মহারানী মহারানী ফিলিংস হচ্ছে। আমি এখন বসে আছি জাকুজির সামনে, ফুল সাজানো জাকুজির সামনে নাকি আমার সুইডিশ ম্যাসাজ হবে। আমি তো ভীষণ এক্সাইটেড, দেখি কি হয়। জাস্ট ওয়াচ অ্যান্ড ওয়েট।
প্রথমে অয়েল দিয়ে ম্যাসাজ করা হবে, সুজিস ম্যাসাজ। তারপর সি সল্ট দিয়ে স্ক্রাব করা হবে। তারপর ডেড সি মাড প্যাক অ্যাপ্লাই করা হবে। এরপরে ব্যানানা লিফ কভার করা হবে। এরপরে আমি করব ফুল বডি স্ক্রাব উইথ সি সল্ট। এরপর এটা হট টাওয়াল দিয়ে রিমুভ করে ডেড সি মাড প্যাক অ্যাপ্লাই করব। এটা হচ্ছে ডেড সি মাড প্যাক।